What's going on, everybody? Chaotic BPR here, and I got a very odd video for you today. Local brewery of where I live called Fox City Brewing Company. Let's see if I can see that a little bit. There you go. Just came out with a Dill Pickle Sour. It's 5.6 ABV, something like that, and yeah, we're gonna taste it, man, in honor of Arcades Anonymous and everybody's obsession with pickles. Yeah, I got the Olin pickle now. Let's bust this thing open. There we go. My chaotic BPR glass. And let's pour this sucker down. And guys, all right, so there's a little greenness to it from the pickle brine that they brewed it with. Cheers, mates. Oh, that's good. So, I'm not a beer drinker at all, but hey, man, it's pickles, dude. I'll try it. So, has a saltiness flavor to it. You can taste like the pickle brine. Yeah, I taste all that good stuff. Like, there's no chunks of pickles in it or anything like that, but I do taste salt, and I do taste pickle brine. So, for a sour, it's definitely there. That's a proper sour. So, pickle sour. If you're ever in Middle Georgia and you want and you see Fox City Brewing Company, go ahead and take a trip by and get you some Deal with it. Homemade brewed beer. And cheers, guys. Have a great night.